friend, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the three-period lesson. It's really important to watch this video till the end as I will be showing a practical example of how the three-period lesson technique works for a child. The three-period lesson is one of the earliest of Montessori's techniques, which is adopted from Edouard Sigan, a French educational theorist and physician. It is a fundamental approach to introducing a new concept, idea, or vocabulary to children. It is used to move the child from basic understanding to mastery. As the name suggests, the three-period lesson consists of the three parts or periods. First period is naming, which means introducing the concept, idea, or vocabulary. The second period is recognizing. It is often a separate lesson done after the first period lesson. Its purpose is to extend the concept presented in the first lesson. This is the most critical period and should last the longest. The second period gives the opportunity to review and reinforce concepts, ideas, or vocabulary, as well as see that connections the child made. It helps build the child's auditory memory. Third period is remembering. This is the testing period which allows you to verify the child's understanding of the new concepts, ideas, or vocabulary he learned. This is the first time you have asked the child to verbally recall the name of the objects. It is important to proceed to this period only if you feel that the child will be successful. If the child is unable to recall the name of the objects, simply give them the name again and casually end the lesson without making the child feel as though he has failed. Let's take a look at how the three-period lesson can be used. Begin by presenting three objects to a child on the same concept is a good idea. It's preferred to have contrast objects. For today's discussion, I am taking three shapes: circle, square, and triangle to make the child understand different shapes. This period is the shortest as it is simply involved giving the object a name. Pick up the first object, circle, and say circle. Repeat the name several times clearly and slowly. This is a circle. Can you say circle? Let the child repeat the object's name. Continue on with the second and third object, which are square and triangle, in the same way. It is always good to repeat the name clearly and slowly several times while pointing to the appropriate object or card. Here, repeating does not mean that you have to repeat continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. Ayash, today we are going to learn shapes. Ayash, this is triangle. Can you say triangle?
Triangle.
This is circle.
Circle.
This is square.
Square.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Circle.
Circle.
Square.
Square.
Letting the child do it by himself is a good idea. There is no need to rush. In this lesson, ask the child to show the appropriate object or card. Rearrange all the three objects in front of the child and ask the child to show you the specific object. Please show me the triangle. It is a good idea to begin with the last object name in the period 1. Repeat this several times in different contexts like, can you place the circle in my hand? Point to the spot on the table and say, please put the circle here. Put the triangle in the basket. Hold the circle in your hand. This handling and movement increase the kinesthetic memory and will solidify a child's recognition of the object's name. Ask the child to close his eyes while you move the objects around and then continue. Ayan, show me square. Show me triangle. Show me circle. Can you place triangle in my hand? Good. Can you take triangle back? Put triangle in basket. Put square in basket. Put circle on your head. Uh-oh. Good. Put circle back on the table. Take square back and put it on the table. Yes. Take triangle back and keep it here. Triangle. Good. Ask the child to close his eyes while you move the objects around and then continue. If the child is unable to correctly identify the shape, return to the period 1, stating the shape name and pointing to the correct shape. There are many ways to do the second period that can be used to hold the child's interest. The movement will make the lesson more attractive and help the child be successful. So, be creative. This is the first time where we ask the child to name the object or card. Starting with the last object shown, ask the child to name the object. While pointing to the object, say, what is this? Continue until the child has named all the objects. If the child is unable to recall the names of the objects, simply give them the names again. It's perfectly okay to go back to the periods 1 and then 2 before proceeding to the third period. Ayash, what is this?
Diamond.
What is this?
Circle.
What is this?
It's red.
Good. 3-period lesson helps the children to better understand the basic concept and lead them towards mastery. This also allows you to see how well the children is grasping and absorbing the concept. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informative videos and blogs, please visit my website boosturbrain.com.